Hello, grade 5. This is teacher Harriet and welcome to our online class week 13. Okay, so today we are going to use your Extra and Friends 5 students book and your Extra and Friends workbook. Okay, so let's start. Our subject for today is English. English. Our topic will be Hello Part 2. So we've finished already Part 1. Now let's move on to Part 2. Our main topic for today is have and has. So I hope you listen and answer your workbook correctly, naka, okay? So let's start by reading first your vocabulary for today. Okay, vocabulary number 1, 20. 20 or 20. Number 2, we have 30 or 30. Number 3, 40 or 40. Number 4, 50, 50. Number 5, have. Number 6, has. Number 7, haven't, haven't. And number 8, hasn't, hasn't. Okay, again, we have here 20 or 20. We have here 30 or 30. 40 or 40. We have here 50 or 50. We have here have, has, haven't, hasn't. Okay, so let's start. Reading number words. Reading number words. Okay, so these numbers, I got them from your book. So I hope you could relate. So open your book na ka, okay? Okay, open your book, page 6. Okay, so let's start reading the number words. Number words, 16, 16, 20, 20 or 20. We have here 25, 25 or 25. We have here 30, 30. We have here 40, 50, 58, 60, 70, 78, 90, and 100. Okay, so these are your basic numbers. I know you know this one because you are good in math. Okay, so we have your 16, 20 or 20, 25, 25, 30, 30, 40 or 40, 50, 50, 58, 60, 70, 78, 90, and 100. Okay? Next, let's go to your book, page 6, Extra and Friends. So the first one, what are you going to do? You need to find the numbers in the puzzle. Okay, so we are going to look for the number words of 70, 20, 16, 58, 100, 40, 90, and 60. Okay? So let's start with 70. Here's your 70. Next, 20. Okay, so where's your 20? It's in here. Okay, so this is your number 20 or number word for 20. Next number, 16. 16. Okay, here. Circle your answer na ka, okay? Next, we have 58. 58, okay, here. Here's your number 58 or number word for 58. Next, we have here 100. So, 100. Next, 40. 40, here you go. Next, we have here 90. 90, okay, this one. And the last number, 60. Okay, here. Okay, so let's, I will write the answer, okay? 20, 16, 58, 100, 40, 90, and 60. Okay, so next, let's go to your student's book, page 6. Okay, match. Is there match? Then listen, point, and repeat. Listen, point, and repeat. So you are going to choose your answer in this part or in this box, okay? In this purple one, of the pink one. Okay, so let's start. We're going to look for the number. First, you need to read the number words and then you're going to look for the number, okay? So for letter A, this is 20. So you're going to look for 20 in this box, okay? So this is 20. So you're going to answer, write your answer in the circle. The next one is 25. So here's your number 25. You write inside the circle. Next we have 30. Here you go. Write it again. Next we have here 40. Okay, here you go. Next we have here 50. You're going to look for 50, this one. Write it. And next we have here 60. 60. Next we have 78. 78 or 78. There you go here. 78. Next we have 90. It's 9 and 0. So this one. Next we have here 100. 100. So the last one is this one. Right inside the circle. Okay, so these are the answers for your student's book, page 6. So this one 20, 25, 30, 40, 50, 60, 78, 90, and 100. Okay, so let's move on with our topic for today. We have here have and has. Have and has. So listen first before we go to your book, okay? So have, they are used before or after the word I, you, we, and they. Naka. Okay, so this one, I, you, we, they. Okay, let's start with the word after. Okay, after first. Okay, so I wrote here some pasatay words for you to understand the word after and before more naka, okay? Before, after. So let's start with after first. Okay? Using have after I, you, we, they. So have belongs to I, you, we, they. And in here after, so the first one should be I first before the word have. Okay, it's like this. Naka, okay? So number one, I. I have got black hair. I have got black hair. So the first one, I after have. Okay. So I first before the word have naka. Okay? Next, you. You after have. Okay. You have got big house. You have got big house. So you first before the word have. Number 3, we have we. We have got a brown dog. We have got a brown dog. So we first before the word have naka, okay? And number 4, we have they. They have got blue eyes. Okay, so they before the word have naka. Okay, so you are going to use after if you are making a sentence naka. Okay, if you are making a sentence, I first before the word have naka. I first before the word have. I have got black hair. You have, we have, they have. Okay? After. Don't forget this one. After. Next. Next one. Okay, using have before I, you, we, they. Okay. When asking a question. So if you are asking a question, you need to write the word have before the word ay naka, okay? So let's start with our example for today. I have I got black hair. So she is asking a question. So the first one should be have the first one before I. Have first before I naka, okay? Have I got black hair? So I'm asking a question. Have I got black hair? Yes, I have black hair. Okay, next, number 2. Have you got big house? Okay, this one have before the word you. Have you got big house? Okay. Next, number 3. We. Have we got brown dog? Have we got brown dog? Okay, I'm making a question, so I need to write the word have first before we naka, okay? Have we got brown dog? Okay. Number 4, they. Have they got blue eyes? Okay, so I'm asking a question again, so you're going to write have before the word they. Have they got blue eyes? Okay, so remember na, have is for I. Okay, let me change first my pen. Okay, remember this one. Okay, remember this one. Have will always be followed before or after I. You, we, they. Okay, have. I, you, we, have we, and have they. Or this one, the other one around. Okay, I, you, we, they. Okay, I have, you have, we have, they have. If you are making a sentence, naka. Okay. Next one. If you are making a question, the first one should be the word have. Have I, have you, have we, have they, naka. Okay? Next, the word has. Has. They are also used before or after the word he, she, it. He, she, it. Okay, so let's go to our example for today. Okay, using has after he, she, it when making a sentence. Same the other one. Okay, same. But in has after he first. Naka he, she, it only. He, she, it. Okay, number 1. He has. Okay. He has got brown eyes. So I'm making a sentence here. So we are going to Write first the word he before the word has. Naka, okay? Number 2, she. She for girls, he for boys. Naka. He has got big house. Okay, so the word starts with she before the word has because it's a sentence. Okay, because it's a sentence. It is for things or objects. Naka. Okay, so it has got a long tail. Okay, it has got a long tail. So it first before the word has. Okay? Remember this or always remember this one. He he for boys, she for girls, it for things or object or things that you see. And then he is for has only naka. He, she, it is for the word has. Has this one, has. Okay. He has, she has, it has. Okay? My chai, you has, I has. No, that's not correct. Naka, okay? So let's move on with the word before. Okay, before. Okay, so where's that? Using has before he, she, it. When you are asking a question, okay? When you are asking a question, you need to write the word has first, has before the word he, she, it. Naka. Okay? So, asking a question na, do not forget this word. Asking a question, the word has first before the word he, she, it. He. Has he got black hair? Has he got black hair? Number 2. Has she got big house? Okay, and then the last one. Has it got a long tail? Has it got a long tail? So he is asking a question. So the first word should be has before the words he, she, it. Naka, okay? Always remember this one. Has is for, you use has for the word he, she, it only naka, okay? He, she, it only. And for they, for the word they, for the word they, use for the word have, use only I, you, we, they naka, okay? I, you, we, they have. I have, you have, we have, they have. Have I? Have you? Have we? Have they? Okay, so that's it. Let's move on with our next topic. Okay. The long word, has not got. The short word for has not got is hasn't got. Hasn't got. The long word for have not got is have not got. And the short word is haven't got. Haven't got. Okay? So let's take some example. The word has got first. Okay, has got. If the question is yes, you just write there. Yes, he has got eyes. Naka, okay? So, one more time. Okay, the question is, has he got eyes? Has he got eyes? Okay, so yes, the answer is yes. So you're going to say, yes, he has got eyes. Okay, yes, he has got eyes. Okay, he first before the word has. Okay? Next one. Next question. Has he got hair? Has he got hair? Okay, so he doesn't have a hair. He doesn't have a hair. So you are going to say, no, no, he hasn't got hair. My chai has na ka, okay, because the answer is no. So it's not has, it's hasn't. Hasn't. You will say, no, he hasn't got hair. Kazemai? Okay? Okay, see, he uses the word he for hasn't. He for has naka, okay? The next one, have got. Have got, have got. So the question is, have they got eyes? Okay, so they, because the word is have. So you're going to say, or you're going to use the word they naka, because they are a group of frog naka. They are a group of frogs, so you're going to say they naka. Have they got eyes? So the answer is yes, they have got eyes. They have. Okay, question, sentence. This one question. So the first one is have they? Have they got eyes? The answer is yes, they have got eyes. And the next one, no. The answer is the question is have they got hair? Have they got hair? So do they have hair? No, the answer is no. So you're going to say, no, they haven't got eyes. Okay? Don't say, no, they have got hair. No, that's not the correct answer. You will say, haven't or have not, this one. No, they haven't got hair. Okay, so that's how you answer the questions, no and yes. Okay, so look at this again. Let's review first. The first one here says yes. Okay. The answer is yes. Yes, he has naka. Yes, he has. No, he hasn't. Hasn't. And then the next one, have got. The answer is yes. And you were going to say they have got. They have. They have. My chai he have. Naka, okay? Next one, the answer is no. So you're going to write negative sentence also. No, they haven't. No, they haven't. My chai, no, they have. Naka, okay? You say, no, they haven't. Haven't. Hasn't. Okay? For no, again, last one more time. For no answer, hasn't. For no answer, haven't. Okay? Naka, okay? Let's move on to, let's go to your workbook, page 7. Page 7, you are going to read, and circle the correct word. Read and circle the correct word. So we're going to answer first. Okay, number 1, Alice. Alice is a she, okay? Alice is a girl, so she. So the answer there will be has naka, okay? Alice has got long hair. Might I have? So if we say there Alice and, okay, there are two persons there. Alice and Tonhom have, you can say have naka. If we say Alice, okay, I'm going to give an example. Alice and Tonom. Okay, there are two person there. Okay, there are two person there. So you're going to write have. Okay, but in this case, we have only one Alice there, one name. So you're going to use has naka. Kazemai? Okay, so let's start answering this one. Okay, have, has, you got blue eyes. So what's the answer? Have you or has you got blue eyes? Okay, the answer. So look at the word you. Okay, so you are questioning, so we are going to use the word have before the word you. Have you got blue eyes? So there, circle your answer. Next, number 3. She hasn't or haven't got short hair. It's a sentence and the word she, so you're going to circle your answer. Hasn't. Okay, only one person. She, it for hasn't. Naka. And we have number 4. Has John got green eyes? Okay, there's only one person there, John, which is John, one person. And that is identifying as he. So you're going to say, has John got green eyes? Has John got green eyes? Okay, number 5. I have got long hair. What's the answer? Have. Okay, the answer is have because I have. May say I has na. Okay, so next one. Number 6 is Tom haven't got curly hair. What's the answer? There's only one Tom there, one person, Tom. So you're going to answer hasn't. Tom hasn't got curly hair. Okay? Number 7. George, only one person. So you're going to use the word has. George has got brown eyes. Next, number 8, we have here has Linda got red hair. Okay, so Linda there, only one person and indicates she. So you're going to use has. Has Linda got red hair? Okay, so that's your answer for your lesson 4, page 7, activity 7. Next, test 8. Choose the correct answer. Okay, choose the correct answer. The question, there's two person there. It's Kelly and John. Okay, so this is John and this is Kelly. Okay, so John, blank a brother. What's the answer? You choose your answer here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which you choose? You're going to choose your answer between 1, 2, 3, 4. Here in this box. Okay, A, B, C. Okay, what's the question there? John, have you got a brother? Okay, she is asking one person there, so we are going to use the word has. Okay, so I'm sorry. No have. The answer should be have. Okay. I did not see that one. Okay, so in here, John, he is asking John, so the word there is you. So, have will always be followed by you naka or before or after have naka. Okay, so the answer is letter A. John, have you got a brother? Okay, and then John answered, no, but I followed by have. Okay, so you're going to say, no, but I have got a sister. So the answer is letter A. Next, number 3, or the next question is, Kelly, what does she look like? What does she look like? Okay, so she will always be followed by has. Okay, so you're going to say, she has got long hair and blue eyes. She has got long hair and blue eyes. Next, we have here Kelly questioning again. How old blank she? Okay, so how old blank she? Isn't, are, or is. Okay, so she is only one person, and we are going to use the word is because that's singular. Okay, so how old is she? Okay, next, John blank. She blank 15. So she followed by singular again. Singular is. So the answer is is. She is 15. Okay, next. Let's go to your student's book, page 7. Okay, let's read. Complete the sentences. Use have or has. Okay, you're going to choose has or have. Okay, so the first one is has because of the word he naka. Okay, let me write here. Has is for he. Okay, has is for he, she, and it. Have is for I, you, we, they, for plural words or plural noun. Plural nouns. Okay, so have for I, you, we, they, has for he, she, it. Naka. Okay, so the number 2, the word they. So the answer is have. Okay, next, number 3, the word there is she. So we're going to write has. Next, the word I. So we're going to write there have. Okay, very good. Grade 5. Next, we have here you. So the answer is have. Next, we have here it. So the answer is has. Okay, so number 1, he has got dark hair. Number 2, have they got big house? They're asking a question. So the have first before the word they. Number 3, she has got big nose. Number 4, I have not got a pet. Number 5, we have you got blue eyes? Have you got blue eyes? Okay, asking a question, so the word starts with have. And number 6, has. It has not got a long tail. Okay, so those are your lesson 4, activity 7, page 7. Next, read and correct. So let's take a look at first your is and are. Is for singular, has naka. Are is for have, plural. Okay? So this is, you're going to change are to is naka, okay? So this is my dog. Max, this is Max. And he blank 4 years, or he are 4 years old, so you're going to erase that one. You change the answer. Okay. So have here, I'm sorry, I did not discuss this one. Your plural are for are and have. Singular is for is and has. Okay, so let's start. We're going to change are to is as for singular. So you're going to say there, this is my dog. You're going to omit are, remove are, and then you change it to is. Naka, okay? So, he are 4 years old. So, he only for one person. So, you're going to remove this one, change to is. Okay? Change are to is. Number 3, he blank got long ears. He have got long ears and a long tail. So we're going to omit have got and we're going to change it with has. Okay? He has. Next, we have here Max. Max pertains to a boy dog. Okay, boy dog. So that's he. So we're going to change have to has, brown eyes and a black nose. Next, he is got brown hair too. I love my dog. He is great. So we're going to change is to are. Okay. The answer is not is. I did not see this one again. Okay, so we're going to remove this one. It says there, he got brown hair too. So the answer is has. He has. It's not is, okay? He has got brown hair too. I love my dog. He is great. Okay, so the answer is has na ka, okay? My chai is or are. The answer is has. He has got brown hair too. Okay, so this is for our topic for today. Thank you for listening. See you again next time. I hope you could join us so you can communicate with each other. See you again next time. Goodbye.